Imagine glancing at your Android home screen and getting exactly what you need. No tapping, no digging, just info and shortcuts that feel smart. In 2026, widgets aren't just handy little extras, they are essential. From productivity powerhouses to beautifully designed companions that elevate your setup, here are some of the best Android widgets you should definitely try in 2026. Excited? So let's get started. Now, if you are tired of cluttered, uninspired home screen that feels stuck in 2015, something OS Widgets fixes that by bringing a sleek modern aesthetics to your Android devices. Think minimalistic design meets high-end functionality. Imagine having all your essentials like weather updates, battery stats, and a stunning clock displayed as crisp, elegant widget that blends seamlessly into your screen. No need to download extra apps or wrestle with complicated settings. These widgets are designed to work straight out of the box, prioritizing clean lines, bold contrast, and subtle gradient that looks like they belong on a flagship phone. And if you're someone who loves a sharp digital clock, a chic analog face, or a photo widget to highlight your favorite memories, this app transforms your home screen into a cohesive, visually polished hub. The lightweight design means your phone stays fast, and the intuitive setup lets you personalize everything in minutes. Swipe colors, resize widgets, or mix and match style to match your mood. It's perfect for anyone craving a sophisticated, distraction-free interface that's as practical as it is stylish. If you're looking to spruce up your Android home screen and make it really pop, you should definitely check out Element KWGT. It's like a collection of widgets that not only looks awesome but also comes in handy. Picture having a clock that suits your style perfectly, or a date display widget so sleek it makes you grin every time you see it. That's exactly what Elements offers. Widgets that are useful and pleasing to the eye. And the cool thing is you can even tweak these widgets to match your wallpaper or fit whatever mood you are in. With just a few taps, you can change color, adjust layout, and make your home screen truly yours. With over 200 designs to choose from, you are bound to find something that vibes with you. Whether you like a simple clean look or want something bold and attention-grabbing, it has got you covered. So basically, it's a game changer if you're tired of the same look on your Android home screen. It gives you amazing widgets that you can personalize effortlessly, letting you show off your style through your device. Now, if you have ever wished your Android home screen looked as polished as an iPhone, but without giving up the freedom of customizing everything, that's where Glass Widget comes in. Inspired by the iOS 26's new liquid glass design, this pack gives your phone a glossy futuristic makeover that's both beautiful and functional. Think of it as giving your screen a layer of elegant frosted glass that catches light just right and make your icons pop. With over 350 plus pre-made widgets, you get everything from clock and weather to step counter, notes, and even music controls, all ready to use, no KWGT or setup required. Now, the best part of this widget is that you can tweak the color to perfectly match your wallpaper or mood. Now picture this, you're running late and you can simply grab your phone and instantly see the time, weather, and your to-do list all in one elegant glassy layout. It's clean, it's functional, and it somehow makes your home screen feel alive. So I will highly suggest you to give it a try. Next up, we have Fusion for KWGT that brings a sleek modern touch to your Android home screen, blending style and functionality with a beautiful neomorphic design. The widgets feature soft rounded edges and subtle shadows, giving them a floating 3D effect that adds sophistication and visual depth to your screen. With a vibrant palette of pastel blues, purple, and greens set against light backgrounds, Fusion strikes the perfect balance between bright, lively color and a clean, minimal look. Each widget is thoughtfully crafted to display essential information like weather, time, music, and notification at a quick glance without overwhelming the layout. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants a visually stunning and functional setup. So if you're a personalization enthusiast looking to elevate your home screen's appearance with a contemporary yet simple style, Fusion for KWGT is an excellent option. Now, if your home screen feels more meh than modern, it's time for a serious glow up, and Everything widget is just the magic touch it needs. Inspired by the sleek Nothing OS design, this widget pack turns your plain Android layout into a minimalistic masterpiece. Let's say you start your day checking the time, weather, and battery. Now imagine doing all that in just one glance, with stunning monochrome design, crisp red accents, and smooth animations. Now Everything widget gives you over 125 widgets and counting, for clocks, calendar, toggles, contacts, codes, and even fun extras like snake game and photo displays, all without needing KWGT widget or any other setup headache. It's super practical too. Just place a resizable weather widget, pin a pedometer to your home screen, or drop in a one-tap flashlight toggle, all matching beautifully with your aesthetics. And yes, there are matching wallpapers too. It's clean, functional, and fun. Just tap, place, and flex your upgraded setup. Next up we have Ambrosia KWGT Widget, which is a standout widget pack introducing a collection of beautifully designed cards to elevate your home screen. These widgets boost a unique and stylish flair, available in various sizes and shapes. The use of card design not only adds a touch of sophistication but also presents information in a compact and organized manner, a popular choice for effective information display. The card design brings an element of movement and interactivity to your screen, allowing users to swipe or tap for additional details or functions. With an initial release featuring 35 widgets, it promises outgoing updates to introduce even more options. The app's commitment to continuous improvement ensures users will have access to fresh and diverse widgets in the future. For those seeking a department for conventional widget pack, this is a refreshing choice. Its unique design, interactive features, and the promise of expanding widget option makes it a compelling addition to your Android customization toolkit. The Morph KWGT widget pack is a fantastic choice if you want to give your Android home screen a modern and stylish upgrade. It's a standout widget pack with 70 plus stunning widgets that uses a new morphic design, blending skeuomorphism and flat design. This combo creates a subtle 3D effect that not only looks great but also makes the widget more functional. Each widget has its own unique style featuring bold text, clean layout, and well-balanced colors. They display essential information like the date, time, weather, and upcoming events, so they are not just for show. Plus, with both dark and light themes, these widgets can easily match any wallpaper or personal style you are going for. The design includes smooth gradient, geometric shapes, and subtle shadows, giving the widget a sophisticated, layered look. Some widgets even come with interactive features like music control and quick access buttons, which really enhance your overall experience. In short, this widget pack is all about attention to detail. It's got everything you need for a polished, elegant, and simple home screen setup. Autumn KWGT is a charming widget pack designed to bring the spirit of fall to your Android home screen. With meticulously crafted widgets capturing the essence of the season, the app offers a delightful customization experience. The standout feature lies in the thoughtful and visually appealing designs, incorporating warm colors and autumn elements like leaves, creating a cohesive and nostalgic theme. Diversity is a key strength, providing users with a range of widgets to suit different preferences and home screen layouts. The ease of use enhances accessibility, allowing users to effortlessly apply and customize widgets within popular launcher apps. It ensures a seamless integration into the user's device. Overall, it stands out as an excellent choice for Android users seeking a visually captivating and versatile widget pack, making it easy to infuse the cozy and enchanting atmosphere of fall into their device's interface.